Hello! In this quick Adobe After Effects tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple but eye-catching video effect. Perfect for Reels, Shorts, and other short-form videos. Let's get started. Once you have your composition ready and your video on the timeline, we need to duplicate it 3 times. On each of these 3 layers, we'll create a mask using the rectangle tool. Now to the first of the duplicated layers, we'll add 3 effects. The first is black and white. Next, we need to add posterize. Let's set its value to 16. Finally, we add CC Composite. We'll use this effect to control the visibility of our effects. On the CC Composite effect, find the opacity option. Create a keyframe on it at the 0 second mark. Then at the 1 second mark, set the opacity value to 0%. Click U on your keyboard to display all keyframes on these layers. Select them and copy them. Now, right-click on the keyframes, choose Keyframe Assistant, and then Time Reverse Keyframes to reverse their order. Now all you need to do is copy our previously added effects from the main layer and, with the time indicator at the 0 second mark, paste them. Let's now change all layers to 3D layers by clicking the cube icon next to the layer name. Add a camera to the composition. Create a position animation on each 3D layer's position. Each layer can have a different position value to achieve a dynamic effect. Just like before, copy these keyframes, paste them at the 2 second mark, and reverse them using Time Reverse Keyframes. Let's also animate the camera's position. Finally, select all layers and click U to display all keyframes. Select them all and press F9 on your keyboard. Go to the graph editor. Select the points on the graph and move them to further adjust the animation curves and achieve the desired fluidity effect. And just like that, our animation is ready. That's all for today. See ya!